Yeah, here we have a very nice Baldor 2-inch by 48-inch belt sander. This is 1.5 horsepower, 230 volt, 3-phase. And we're going to fire it up for you just to show you that it does operate. This has a tilting head. You just pull out the knob right here and you can tilt it back 45 degree or to a 90 degree. It has a little bit of shipping distress. I'm going to show you that right now, and that is a little dent right there. We had to hammer that out a little bit there, so it's a little dented. A couple little paint scratches and scuffs. And on the top cover here, this little thumb screw is bent. And other than that, it's in really great shape. Still mounted to the factory board here. And we thank you for looking at our product.